Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really nice thermal printer. This is by a company called MUNBYN, and this is the box that it comes in. It is the 130B model. This thing is a workhorse. It is going to do everything you need for a thermal printer. So first, what all do you get? Naturally, you're going to get instructions. It's pretty simple. We're going to go over a lot of the details here in the video. You are going to get this little USB device, and this is going to have the drivers on it, and then also you can utilize it for basically your own personal use, which is nice. Now, they are going to include plenty of shipping labels to get you going. These are the 4x6 size, which is absolutely perfect. Shipping labels are an absolute amazing thing with this device because the thermal paper, how it all works is it heats up the special paper. It does not use any ink. It is ink-free. So they also do very, very well in the weather. That's why a lot of shipping companies use thermal paper. So if you get wet on anything, your address isn't going to bleed or anything like that. You don't have to cover it with a bunch of clear tape. Absolutely a must if you are a small business and you do a ton of shipping, or even if you're a personal use and you do occasional shipping. Now, naturally, you are going to get a printer cable here. This is a USB to the regular standard printer cable. Just go ahead and hook this up to any computer and you're good to go. However, if you do not want to hardwire it, it also connects via Bluetooth to your phones, your tablets, or your laptop. So you can connect it either hardwire it or Bluetooth. It's up to you on how you want to utilize that. Now, naturally, it's going to come with a little just plug here to power it up. Plenty of length as far as cabling, so you're not going to be tethered right next to the outlet. And this also has a nice long cord, so you're not tethered to your computer if you don't want to be. So this is the printer I have. It's going to come in a lot of different colors here. I have the nice little lilac one here. It's nice and pretty. To give you an idea of the size of this thing, it's like I said, it's nice and compact. It's going to be about 7¼ inches across. It's going to be about 4 inches in depth, and then the height is about 3½ inches. So it is nice and compact. It's not going to take up a lot of space on your desk. It's small enough to throw in a suitcase if you are traveling or you're going to a trade show or something like that. It's very easy to bring with you. On the back is where you're going to plug it in for your computer or to give it power. You're going to have an on and off switch, and then you will load it in the back. Now, it does do continuous paper, so it's very easy to utilize. And then on the front is where it will come out. It does have a serrated edge, so if you do not have the pre-perforated paper, you can rip this very easy, especially if you're doing stuff like receipt paper. There is 2 little buttons on the side. That's how you're going to open it up. It's just going to open up straight in the back. Now, it does adjust in the middle, so there is a little slider here that will allow you to adjust this thing all the way from 1.7 inches to 4.3 inches. So that's why I call this thing the workhorse. If you are needing something for printing labels, it can do that. However, if you are a small business or something and you want to make stickers, you can pick up the rolls of stickers. They have a ton of different types of rolls and colors and options, round, square, rectangle, whatever. You can utilize those as far as thermal printing. If you, let's say you're selling various soaps, or you're making candles, or you're doing spices, or you're just wanting to get organized in your house and label everything, you can do that with these. It is very, very easy to use. These come as a nice roll. Another nice aspect of it, all you have to do is line it up to the little rubber roll here, because the printing is on the top, so your print surface is always facing up. Once you close it, it's going to self-align. It's going to go in and out, and it's going to make sure it's all nice and ready to go for your printing. If you ever do need to inject, there is a little button at the top. It'll go ahead and push out to the next break point, so you're good to go on that front. Now, as far as utilizing this, whether you're utilizing your own software, but I would suggest utilizing their app. They have an app. It has everything you need. You can import images. You can import text. However, it has a ton of clip art. Whether you're just using regular, whether you want to use something seasonal, you can bring that in. You can customize stuff. You can add text. It has a lot of customizable features That way you can make your own personal design, your own personal look, which is absolutely great. The app is very easy to connect via Bluetooth, or if you're hardwired into it, it's very, very easy to utilize. I really suggest their app. You can easily select all your different label sizes also through there. So very, very nice device. But like I said, it's a great thermal printer, very easy to utilize, nice and compact, comes in a lot of fun colors. If you're in the market for a nice thermal printer, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.